This is TechCrunch. Gather AI is a startup that offers an AI platform for warehouse cameras and drones, and the company just raised a $40 million Series B funding round led by Smith Point Capital. Now, that's the VC firm founded by former Salesforce CEO Keith Block. Co-founder and CEO Sankalp Arora told TechCrunch that the Gather team first met Smith Point a year ago at a logistics conference, and it took Keith and his team about 5 minutes to get what we were doing. Now, what Gather AI is doing is unusual. The three founders met as PhD students at Carnegie Mellon University, where they built one of the first autonomous helicopters and tested it on the FBI training grounds in Quantico. In 2017, the founders took what they learned about teaching helicopters to fly and land safely and launched Gather AI. Using off-the-shelf cameras placed on strategic moving equipment like forklifts, as well as off-the-shelf drones flying around the warehouse, the cameras watch on-the-floor operations, and they log what they find into the warehouse management systems. But the catch is, the AI isn't being random about what it scans. It's being curious, as Arora describes it. He said, "My PhD work focused on how to make different kinds of flying robots curious. So they're curious about boxes and barcodes and workflows. In addition to barcodes, they look for lot codes, text, expiration dates, case counts, damages, occupancy, and other items. The idea is that they will discover and predict issues like low inventory, misplaced stock, and workflows that may cause safety issues. They also work in environments unfriendly to people, like freezers and cold storage. Because Gather's underlying tech was built years before the age of large language models, this is not the kind of AI that an LLM uses." Arora said, "They're not end-to-end neural networks. They are classical Bayesian techniques combined with neural networks. AI vision Bayesian techniques use probability-based methods to teach computers how to interpret visual data. These systems allow the technology to learn by using data and prior knowledge to make decisions, meaning they don't suffer the hallucination problems of LLMs. Instead, they quote-unquote get curious, as Arora puts it, to gather information, hence the startup's name, and make a decision on the next action based on what they've learned. As old school as that sounds, Gather AI is sitting at the edge of the next big thing in AI, sometimes called embodied AI. These are robots that interact with the real world, as opposed to an LLM interacting via computer chat or web app. To that end, in December, the startup won the 2025 Nebius Robotics Award for Vision AI and Streaming Video Analytics. Nebius is a Dutch company that provides AI infrastructure. Gather currently employs about 60 people, and customers include QuickTrip, Axon, Geodis, and NFI Industries. With this fresh funding, the startup has now raised $74 million total. Other investors include Bain Capital Ventures, XRC Ventures, and Hillman Investments. That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like this one, go to TechCrunch.com.